Hey Nitro Grinders fans, I'm here with a stone step-up ramp. Let's see how to assemble it. First, pull up the tab, separate the two pieces. To make the stone step-up ramp, we're going to need all these pieces. The base, the first platform, the two halves of the ramp, the top platform, the kicker, and the support post. Start with the base placed like this. Next, we're going to start assembling the ramp. Take this half of the ramp and the first platform. Not this half, this is for the top platform. Make sure the hole is placed away from this edge of the ramp. Snap the ramp together. Now take the post and add it here. Take the top platform and slide the post into the socket. Take the second piece of the ramp and attach the top platform like this. Alright, time to stack them up. Finally, the kicker. Take the two pieces of the kicker and put them together. Just like that. Slide the kicker into place, line it to ramp, and you're ready to nitro grind.